It seems like the internet is becoming an increasingly unsafe place to be, but it also offers some amazing opportunities. So use the following tips to increase your privacy and security and online safety. Whenever you get a notice that an update on your phone, tablet, or computer is available, install it immediately. Often it is to rectify a newly discovered vulnerability and increase your device's security, so don't put this off. Where possible, enable the automatic update function and know where the notifications are presented on your device, and get in the habit of checking it regularly. If you have the slightest doubt about a link, app, or website, take a few moments to investigate it. Learn to scroll over links to determine their true address, and utilize sites like VirusTotal with scan tools to confirm the safety of files and URLs. The fewer apps you have on your devices, the less chance one that is unused and potentially outdated can become a weak link in your privacy and security. Every month or so, do a quick evaluation to determine what programs you have installed but may be no longer useful, and then delete them. You can always reinstall the app if you find you might use it again in the future. Even though antivirus and anti-malware programs are still helpful, today's crimers understand that you, the user, should be their target. By establishing the habits contained in this video, you'll make great strides in protecting your overall digital privacy and security.